If you're a woman who travels, here are 5 safety items I never leave home without. And this is just a small part of my complete travel packing checklist that I use for every single trip. I update it after every trip so I don't forget anything, and it's become pretty extensive over the years. Number 1 is this portable door lock. This little device adds an extra layer of security when you go to any hotel or Airbnb. Once installed, it prevents the door from being opened from the outside, even if the person has a key. Number 2 is this door stop alarm. I place this under my hotel room door when I travel. If someone tries to enter, it presses down and it emits a loud alarm. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and it gives you some peace of mind, especially at night when I'm asleep. Number 3 are air tags. I have a bunch of these with me, but I always make sure to have one in my checked luggage, my carry-on, my backpack, and my wallet. If something gets lost, stolen, or left behind, I can quickly track it. Number 4 is a portable carbon monoxide detector. This one's one of the most overlooked travel safety items. Hotels are generally safe, but if you also like to stay at Airbnbs or cabins, it's good to carry one with you. And number 5 is a secure digital wallet for travel documents. Before every single trip, I always make copies of my license, my passport, my travel insurance, and any important document. If your wallet gets stolen or if your passport goes missing, it'll make things so much easier if you have to go to the embassy. You can also find everything on my Amazon storefront. Now, what are some items that you always pack? Let me know in the comment section below.